Welcome to today's review of the Pocket Shot Speed Loader Full Kit. I got to tell you, I've been a fan of the Pocket Shot line of slingshots for a long time. Ever since they came on the market, I've been right in there with them, and I got to say, this is a pretty cool kit. This kit comes to us with 2 power bands, or power socks, or whatever you want to call them. This is the Pro version, the blue. It's a little stiffer, takes a little bit to break it in. It comes fitted with the black one, which is the standard weight, which is really good if you want to just get a feel for this and get used to shooting it. It is a little bit of a different feel than a traditional slingshot, but that doesn't mean it isn't capable of great accuracy. It's going to take a little getting used to, but if you put your mind to it, you can make this do what it does very, very well. This one being the speed loader kit, if we unscrew the cap, it's also the wrench, and we take the speed loader out of the case, and we screw that on the head of our slingshot. Use our wrench to tighten it up. Very good. I will also point out that the kit comes with an extra bag of 100 bearings, as you can see. Now, for the speed loader to work, you have to use the 5/16 diameter bearings. You don't have to use their 5/16 bearings, but the only diameter this will support is 5/16. And it's really cool. All you need to do to actuate it and to get a bearing to drop, let's see if we can catch it on camera. There we go. There's a ball in there. You just turn this ring one click and you're loaded. You're ready to go. And then you can just turn and take your shot. I'm telling you, this thing goes like nobody's business. It has some serious velocity, up to 350 feet per second. It is a great, quick, really compact slingshot. Can't say enough about the quality of the Pocket Shot stuff. Plus the fact that, hey, you know what? This thing will go right in your pocket. Fits a lot easier than a traditional slingshot. And I got to say, I'm a big fan. So this is the Pocket Shot Speed Loader Full Kit. Comes with a case, bearings, 2 different bands or power socks, and I gotta say, this speed loader is definitely cool. Really quick loading, and a boatload of power out of this thing too. I'm really happy with it. Thanks for watching, everybody.